Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Simple steps to replace a faulty leak detection pump. Is your car's check engine light on? You might have a faulty leak detection pump. This small but vital component of your vehicle's emissions control system ensures your car meets environmental standards. When it malfunctions, you might notice poor fuel efficiency, increased emissions, or an illuminated check engine light. Catching these signs early and replacing the leak detection pump promptly is crucial for maintaining optimal vehicle performance and staying green. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about detecting, diagnosing, and replacing a leak detection pump. Stay tuned to keep your car running smoothly and responsibly. Understanding the leak detection pump, LDP. Understanding the leak detection pump, LDP, in your vehicle is crucial for maintaining optimal performance and reducing harmful emissions. Let's see some key components that make up a typical leak detection pump and the importance of ensuring it functions correctly. Components of a leak detection pump. The leak detection pump consists of several essential components that work together to detect and manage fuel vapor leaks. These components include the solenoid, pump, and pressure sensor. The solenoid, a type of electromagnet, controls the flow of vapor through the system. The pump is responsible for drawing in vapor from the fuel tank, while the pressure sensor measures the pressure within the system. Each part plays a vital role in the proper functioning of the leak detection pump. Importance of a properly functioning LDP. A properly functioning leak detection pump is crucial for vehicle performance and emissions control. When the LDP malfunctions, it can lead to various issues such as decreased fuel efficiency, increased emissions, and even potential damage to other engine components. Without a functioning LDP, fuel vapor leaks can go undetected, leading to not only environmental harm but also potential safety risks. Maintaining a properly functioning LDP is essential for ensuring your vehicle operates efficiently and meets emission standards. By understanding the components of a leak detection pump and the importance of its proper function, you can take proactive steps to maintain your vehicle's performance and reduce its impact on the environment. Signs of a faulty leak detection pump. Leak detection pump, LDP, issues can lead to various symptoms that indicate a failing system. These signs often manifest as drivability issues and can impact the vehicle's emissions output. It is crucial to be aware of these symptoms to address LDP problems promptly. Diagnostic methods for identifying LDP issues. When diagnosing potential LDP problems, mechanics typically utilize specialized tools such as smoke machines or pressure gauges to detect leaks in the evaporative emissions system. By conducting a thorough inspection, they can pinpoint whether the leak detection pump is the root cause of the vehicle's troubles. Accurate diagnosis is essential before proceeding with any repairs or replacements to ensure effective resolution of the problem. Impact of a faulty LDP on vehicle performance. A faulty leak detection pump can have a significant impact on the overall performance of a vehicle. Reduced fuel efficiency is a common consequence, as the system may struggle to effectively control fuel vapors. Engine misfires can occur due to improper air-fuel mixture ratios, leading to decreased power delivery and rough idling. Furthermore, long-term damage to other engine components can result from prolonged exposure to faulty LDP operation, affecting the vehicle's reliability and drivability. Being attentive to these symptoms and understanding the implications of a malfunctioning leak detection pump can help vehicle owners address issues promptly and maintain optimal performance and emissions compliance. Replacing the leak detection pump. After identifying the need to replace your vehicle's leak detection pump, LDP, the next crucial step is choosing the right replacement part. Ensuring compatibility is paramount to the successful functioning of your vehicle's emissions system. When selecting a replacement LDP, it's essential to source quality parts that are designed for your specific make and model. Here are some tips to guide you through this process. Choosing the right replacement LDP. 1. Compatibility matters. Verify that the replacement LDP is compatible with your vehicle's year, make, and model to avoid installation issues. 2. Quality assurance. Opt for OEM, original equipment manufacturer, or reputable aftermarket brands known for their reliability. 3. Fit and function. Double-check the part specifications to guarantee a proper fit and ensure seamless integration into your vehicle's emission system. 4. Professional advice. When in doubt, consult with a mechanic or parts specialist for expert guidance on selecting the right replacement LDP. Once you have the correct replacement LDP in hand, the installation process is the next crucial task. Proper installation is key to maintaining your vehicle's emissions performance. Let's delve into the steps involved and recommendations for a successful replacement. Installation process and recommendations. 1. Safety first. Before starting, ensure the vehicle is parked on a flat surface and the engine is cool. Disconnect the battery to prevent any electrical mishaps. 2. Tools needed. Gather the necessary tools such as screwdrivers, pliers, and a socket wrench set for a smooth installation process. 3. Step-by-step installation. Locate the existing LDP, typically found near the fuel tank or the engine bay, depending on the vehicle model. Remove the old LDP. Disconnect electrical connectors and hoses, then unmount the LDP from its bracket. Install the new LDP. Follow the reverse order of removal, securing the new LDP in place and reconnecting hoses and connectors. Test the system. Start the vehicle and ensure the new LDP functions properly by checking for any error codes or leaks. 4. Calibrations and adjustments. Some vehicles may require sensor calibrations or system resets post-installation. Refer to the vehicle manual for specific instructions. 5. Professional assistance. If you encounter challenges or uncertainties during the installation, don't hesitate to seek help from a professional mechanic. By following these guidelines and recommendations, you can successfully replace your vehicle's leak detection pump, ensuring optimal performance and compliance with emission standards. Maintaining a healthy emissions system. When it comes to ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly and cleanly, maintaining a healthy emission system is key. Your emission system plays a crucial role in reducing harmful pollutants that are released into the environment. By staying on top of regular maintenance, you not only contribute to a healthier planet but also help your vehicle operate at its best. Regular inspections. Regular inspections of your emission system are vital in catching any potential issues early on. Make sure to have your system checked by a professional mechanic as part of your routine maintenance schedule. This can help identify any leaks, clogs, or malfunctions that could be affecting your vehicle's emissions. Use high-quality fuel. Choosing high-quality fuel can have a positive impact on your emission system. Opting for fuel that is recommended for your vehicle can help reduce the buildup of deposits in your engine and exhaust system, leading to cleaner emissions. Maintain proper driving habits. Your driving habits can also influence the health of your emission system. Avoiding aggressive driving, excessive idling, and rapid acceleration can all contribute to a healthier emission system. By driving responsibly, you can help prevent unnecessary strain on your vehicle's components. Address issues promptly. If you notice any warning signs of emission system problems, such as a check engine light or a decrease in fuel efficiency, it's important to address these issues promptly. Ignoring potential problems can lead to more extensive damage and costly repairs down the line. Regular tune UPS. Scheduled tune-ups are essential for the overall health of your vehicle, including its emission system. During a tune-up, your mechanic can inspect and adjust components that may impact your emissions, such as the oxygen sensor or spark plugs. Keeping up with these maintenance tasks can help prevent future issues with your emission system. By prioritizing the maintenance of your emission system, you not only ensure compliance with environmental regulations but also promote the longevity and efficiency of your vehicle. Taking proactive steps to care for your emission system can lead to improved performance, reduced emissions, and a cleaner driving experience for you and the environment. Replacing the leak detection pump is crucial for keeping your vehicle in top shape. It ensures your car runs smoothly and complies with environmental regulations. Neglecting a faulty LDP can lead to bigger and more costly problems. Don't wait. Address any LDP issues promptly. You'll save yourself from headaches down the road and keep your vehicle eco-friendly. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.